Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good anytime you are watching me. You are welcome to Invent FS Booth. We always have our trend chart analysis every day after the trade. So today is another day on the 28th of August 2025. So actually at present, FOMC minutes meeting is going on. So the market is somehow quiet, very, very quiet over 1 hour, expecting what the investors will do. So from what we observed yesterday from our analysis, we were told that once the market hit this particular trend support and resistance level, it's going to trigger a buy. So you can now see today that we have a very good time buying today. So that is why I said you are free to join me live, trading live every day. So also today, let's quickly check what we have in stock for us tomorrow. At present, I'm seeing a chart here. I'm seeing a particular chart here, not very feasible, but it means continuations. So it may continue, it may not continue. So you have to wait for confirmation before you move in, right? So also, um, so also, it can lead to a reversal. So I'm looking at two trade here, buying or selling. So, well, if I want to buy, I will have to wait that it breaks the resistance and support level here. So once it breaks, we have to wait again and make sure that we have all time frame at the same direction. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's quickly go to 4 hours time frame and see what is happening there. This is 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frame is confirming that there is buying pressure here. But we will not buy now because the market is already going to close. You may not see a significant move in the market as at present. So I'm looking at getting it done in the midnight. If the FOMC minute is okay with all the traders, I mean investors, you see the trading moving in the night today. If it's not okay, you see it consolidating like what we are seeing here. So let's just watch out for this chart pattern that I've shown you here. There was one I showed you yesterday. You can see how it play out. There's one here also. So this is 4 hours, 1 hour chart. So let's key it in. So trade with risk management. See you tomorrow. Shares, kindly follow, subscribe, and like my video. Share also. Thank you very much. So join me tomorrow. Shares.